let's talk about curling with the TYME Iron Air. I'm just going to start with a small piece. Doesn't matter how you hold, it's just get the hair in. Then you're going to just do a rotation and start moving forward. You can also move out to the side. It will just change your curl a little bit. Okay, so if your curl doesn't catch all the way, you can just go ahead and rotate it into place. A little bit more horizontal this time, so you can see the difference. I kind of keep my finger here because I don't like when it tugs a little bit, so I just kind of loosen it just a bit. Loosen the iron a bit by pushing on the little pad. So let's do a little bit more beachy wave. I'm going to turn the iron a little less. I'm going to put it at a 45-degree angle and travel forward. Okay, that's usually more what I like to go for, something like that. I'm going to try my daughter's technique this time. Just go in, clamp, and then use it with both hands. And she kind of rotates as she moves through the hair. Let's try up and away this time. We're going to go up, rotate the iron kind of a lot. Go up and away. Okay, that's a pretty good full curl. So on the left side, you can do a lot of variations as well. With the TYME Iron Pro, we're always having you curl with your hand up over your head, go in at a 45-degree angle, rotate, and then travel forward. But you can also go in from underneath and curl like this. You can rotate, you can use your left hand, switch it up a bit. You can actually use your left hand on both sides. Just put it in, and then the whole key is to rotate like you would with a curling iron. So when you wrap it really tight like this, you might want to loosen your handle just a bit to let it slide a little better so it won't get too tight and then it's kind of stuck. Back to the over the head technique. And I'm going to rotate and I'm going to pull up and out to the side. Oh, that's a fun one. The closer to your head you start the rotation, the higher up your curl will be. So just remember that if you don't rotate till later, your curl will start later, which is okay. Just know where you want your curl to start. So I started that rotation very close to my head, so my curl got closer to my face. Let's try a really horizontal curl. So I'm gonna do a pretty good rotation, very horizontal, holding the iron. Okay, so it gets just a little more full. You can see when you hold it more vertically, you get a little bit of a tighter curl, and when you hold it more horizontally, you get a wider curl. Feel free to rotate this however you want. This one can rotate in many directions. It's just as long as the hair is coming over the iron, it should create a curl for you. You can see if I just go in and don't move it, and I just slide straight down. If there's no rotation and the hair doesn't wrap around the iron at all, then all I'm doing is straightening. So now I've straightened a piece. And that curl went towards my face because I rotated towards my face. It just felt more comfortable to do it that way. Okay, so if I want to straighten some pieces up here, I just go in with the iron, use the straightening portion just to get it smoothed out. A lot of people have some wispies right here that you can go in and straighten out. So right now I'm just adjusting because I had curled my front pieces to the side, but I wanted to curl them away from my face as I flipped my hair. So I'm just adjusting to curl them away from my face. Right, that's curling with TYME Iron Air. Hopefully this makes it very easy for you, super time efficient for you, and you're getting the curls you love with ease. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy your iron.